7 years ago, I made the decision to move to and live in the Masai Mara in Kenya, one of the world's epicenters of wildlife, safari and ecotourism. Slowly, I was starting to find myself a very interesting niche, a strong scientific background overlaid with practical real-world experience in South Africa, Brazil, India, Rwanda, Peru and Kenya, all overlaid again with nearly 2 decades of guiding and an incredible experience and understanding of high-end ecotourism. However, after nearly 18 years of working for others, I think it's about time to become the captains of our own ship, to focus on the things that I believe we are excellent at. Organically, this has given birth to Adam Bannister Wildlife. But what is ABW and what do we hope to achieve? Firstly, I believe that I can make a significant impact on field guides, not only of East Africa, but across the world. For many years I've been working on a concept I call the theatre of guiding, a new approach of looking at guiding and a way of connecting with guides and helping to empower themselves with tools to elevate their guiding and their careers to the next level. I have already trained over 120 guides from 3 continents, and a big part of Adam Bannister Wildlife will be in training and upskilling more and more people. Secondly, in my heart, I am a guide, I am a storyteller, and I want to share that with you. So I want to strip it all back and return to basics. I want to lead people to extraordinary wildlife locations and share my passion. I want to use this private guiding as a chance to educate, teach, and grow. I want to open up your eyes to nature and see what she can teach us. Thirdly, I want to use my vast knowledge and experience of ecotourism to help plan the perfect trip for you. Out of the box, authentic, off the beaten track and real. Let's see if together we can make magic. Visit the last wildlife frontiers and together make tangible, real impacts on those areas. This capturing of magic leads to my 4th pillar, photography. I love teaching photography and taking images. It brings me great joy to spend time with someone and to help them learn the craft and the art of photography. Adam Bannister Wildlife will be about sharing my photographic passion and helping people to come on board. Another real passion of mine is capturing the beauty of memories of groups, families, and even individuals on safari. To capture in one image the romance, the joy, the adventure, and the passion of what it means to be on a safari. As I have done already on dozens of occasions, I will join guests on their safaris to capture their memories, give them the opportunity to not get stuck behind the camera and instead leave with fantastic visual wonders for them to look back on year after year. With time, Diana will also be introducing Teach the Wild, an exciting project she has been working on for a few years, a child and family-centered approach to safari and for parents living with kids in remote and rural parts of the world. Lastly, Adam Bannister Wildlife includes a selection of prints to be displayed on your walls. Every print brings joy, excitement, beauty and enrichment to your home. Having lived in the wild for almost 2 decades, I've been fortunate enough to have seen some incredible things, many of which I've been able to capture on my camera. These signed, limited edition prints are just another layer of the beauty we hope to share with the world. In essence, Adam Bannister Wildlife is a way that we are hoping to share with you our journey and our lifestyle, a way of helping you visit wild spaces. We want to create magical safaris for you. For lodge owners, we want to help you professionalize and upskill your field teams. If the stars align, then perhaps we'll join you on your safari, using our experience to make your connections with nature that little more special, that little more deep, organic, real, and authentic.